Alright, we're here at 607 17th Avenue over here in Kirkland. What we're looking at right here is the city main. A little debris stuck in there. Just going to pull it out. We're at 140 feet or so. Customer's line is completely plastic. From this point back, looking at the Schedule 40 PVC. In really good shape. I've been running water down this line. Seems to be graded properly. Water is not holding anywhere in the line that I see thus far. On the PVC, coming back, should be transitioning into ABS. There it is. There's the transition. Transition looks good. Now we're in ABS black plastic inside the home. Some minor roots there. Look like they're finding their way in. Alright. We bring the camera from a cold toilet inside the main floor bathroom. Technician, Trevor. That concludes the recording.